The snacks unit was the last unit in the green textbook. The last few reading assignments you've done were the review assignments for the entire book. We're now finishing the green book, and we're moving on to the second book in the Ni Hao series. The first lesson in the Ni Hao second book is on dates and days of the week. We've already learned how to say dates. We'll be practicing more in the coming classes. Today we're going to review or learn how to say days of the week. The concept of weeks was introduced late in Chinese history. It was introduced by Westerners. Weeks are a European concept. Prior to contact with the Europeans, Chinese measured time by days and months. Days we write with the sun symbol, 日, and months we write with the moon symbol, 月. So when the Chinese had to come up with a symbol for weeks, they decided to use stars, 星期, which makes sense because Europeans named the days of the week after planets, which are like stars. The relationship between planets and days of the week is very obvious if you know any Romance languages like Spanish, French, or Italian. Of course, Monday is Moon Day and Sunday is Sunday, but Tuesday in French, Spanish, or Italian is mardi, martes, for Mars Day, Wednesday, mercredi, or miércoles, for Mercury, Thursday, jeudi, jueves, for Jupiter, Friday, vendredi, or viernes, for Venus, and Saturday, samedi, or sábado, for Saturn. So Chinese chose to use star date, 星期, and the character for star is the combination of a sun radical and the birth character, because they thought stars were like little sun eggs, suns being born. Rather than name the days of the week after planets, Chinese were much more practical. They named Monday 星期一, Tuesday 星期二, Wednesday 星期三, Thursday 星期四, Friday 星期五, Saturday 星期六. Sunday would logically be 星期七, but it's actually 星期天. 星期天, tian means day or heaven. And they named 星期天 after the day of heaven because they saw that all the missionaries who came in the 19th century would go on the seventh day and pray to their God. So they said, oh, this must be the heaven day. You have a couple of activities to do today. The first is to go play the Sporkle game. When it says Friday, you're going to click on 星期五, Saturday 星期六, Thursday 星期四, Friday 星期五, and so on. Your second task is to play a pair work game with your partner. One of you will have a sheet that looks like this, but with pictures. Your partner will have a sheet that looks like this, but with pictures. You're going to ask the question, 你星期几去 place? And your partner will answer, 我星期 number 去 place. So before you begin, it may be helpful to write in 天 for Sunday, 一 for Monday, 二 for Tuesday, 三 for Wednesday to help you. What day of the week do you go to place? Your first round is countries. So you would ask, 你星期几去中国? What day of the week do you go to China? Your partner would look at their answers and say, 我星期一去中国. This is different from you, so you would both cross these days out. Then your partner would ask, 你星期几去英国? You would answer, 我星期三去英国. That's different from your partner, so you would both cross those days out. You'll keep asking questions until you find the day you're both going to the same place. 星期四, you're both going to Italy. You both circle that, and you've won round one. So this isn't a competition, it's a cooperative game. You'll play a second round in which you ask, what day of the week do you do a certain exercise? And you'll find which day of the week you're both doing the same exercise.